Children, today we'll move on to the next part of the chapter of trigonometric functions, that is polar coordinates and solutions of triangles. Okay, so let us assume that there is a point P point having coordinates x, y. This will be x, this will be y, theta, and let the hypotenuse be r. So what can we write x as? X can be written as r cos theta, y can be written as r sin theta. So here x and y are called as Cartesian coordinates, and r and theta are called as polar coordinates. So to find r, we'll make same formula of complex numbers, that is modulus. So r becomes square root of x square plus y square by Pythagoras theorem. And what will be theta? Theta will be tan inverse y by x. If it is in first quadrant, write as it is, that is both x, y positive. If second quadrant, answer will be pi minus theta. Third quadrant, pi plus theta. Fourth quadrant, 2 pi minus theta. And if I know polar coordinates, I can find Cartesian coordinates, where x is r cos theta, y is r sin theta. Let us learn some rules for triangle now. Suppose I have a triangle ABC, then side opposite to angle A is measured as A, side opposite to angle B is small b, side opposite to angle C is C. So if I know three sides and if I know three angles, there are three rules. First is sine rule. Sine rule says that A upon sine A is equal to B upon sine B is equal to C upon sine C is equal to 2 times radius of the circumcenter. Okay. Then we have cosine rule. Proofs we'll see later on. Cos A, cosine of angle A can be written as B square plus C square. Since I am talking about A, I'll start with B upon 2BC. Similarly, cos B becomes C square plus A square minus B square upon 2AC. Then we have cos C as A square plus B square minus C square upon 2AB. This cosine rule. When we know sides and we want to find angles, use cosine rule. Then last we have projection rule. That is A is equal to B cos C plus C cos B. For B it is C cos A plus A cos C. For C it will be A cos B plus B cos A. Okay. Now also want to relate this triangle. We know what is area of triangle. If I know the sides, it is square root of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Now I want to use this formula in terms of half angles. That is, I want to learn what is sine of A by 2, what is cos of A by 2, and what is tan of A by 2. Okay, let's see what is the formula. It is square root of S minus B, S minus C upon BC. This becomes S minus A upon BC. So tan by default becomes S minus B, S minus C upon. Okay, okay. So we started with polar and Cartesian coordinates. Then we moved on to sine rule, cosine rule. Most of the sums will be based on these topics. 1 mark, 2 marks sums will be based on this. 3 marks based on this. Again, this topic is rarely asked, but we should practice because in CET, JEE they can be very useful. Also, some examples we can use these formulas. Okay. Okay. Let us start with 3.2 exercise. First is find the Cartesian coordinates whose polar coordinates are, first one, root 2 comma pi by 4. Again a 1 mark question. So here r is given as root 2, theta is given as pi by 4. You know the formula. What is x? R cos theta. What is y? R sin theta. So x becomes root 2 cos pi by 4, y becomes root 2 sin pi by 4. So they both will cancel, so x becomes 1, y becomes also 1. Therefore xy is equivalent to 1 comma 1. ठीक है, let us take one more example. 3 by 4 comma 3 pi by 4. So here r is 3 by 4 and theta is 3 pi by 4. So again x is r cos theta and y is r sin theta. Now second quadrant, cos is negative, so I'll get x as 3 by 4 into minus 1 by root 2. Sin is positive, so 3 by 4 1 by root 2. तो x कितना आएगा minus 3 by 4 root 2 and y will be 3 by 4 root 2. Therefore your Cartesian coordinates become minus 3 by 4 root 2 and 3 by 4 root 2. ठीक है, next question, find the polar coordinates whose Cartesian coordinates are given. You have to find polar coordinates. Okay, what is given to you? 1 comma minus root 3, that is x is 1, y is minus root 3. So what is the formula for r? x square plus y square. कितना हो जाएगा ये? 1 square plus minus root 3 का square. So r becomes 2. I'll take positive because it is hypotenuse. I can't take negative. Now I want to find theta. So what is theta? Tan inverse y by x. Now see, x is positive, y is negative. Which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. So in fourth quadrant, so angle becomes 2 pi minus tan inverse root 3 किसके लिए होता है? pi by 3 के लिए. To remove this minus sign, I first found in which quadrant it lies. It lies in fourth quadrant. So my angle must be 2 pi minus positive angle. So if I take this minus sign, it becomes 2 pi minus and tan root 3 किसके लिए होता है? pi by 3 के लिए. So it becomes 5 pi by 3. Therefore my r theta corresponds to 2 comma 5 pi by 3. Okay. Let's move on to sums which are based on proofs. Now see, first one, it is sine of b minus c by 2 equals b minus c by a times cos a by 2. I'll start with RHS because I can modify this. It will be difficult to modify this. So I'll start with RHS. That is b minus c by a cos a by 2. Now be very careful. I have sides over here and my LHS I only want angles. So I'll apply sine rule or cosine rule. It is easy to use sine rule. What is sine rule? A upon sine A is equal to B upon sine B is equal to 2R. So what A becomes? A becomes 2R sine A. So A क्या हो जाएगा? 2R sine A. B क्या हो जाएगा? 2R sine B. C हो जाएगा 2R sine C cos A by 2. So 2R cancel. So what is left? Sin B minus sin C. मेरे पास हाफ एंगल है तो मैं इसको भी हाफ एंगल बनाऊंगा. So 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2. Because I don't want cos A by 2, so I should get rid of this. Sin C minus sin D का formula 2 cos. Be very careful. First we get cos, then we get sin because it is minus. So 2 sin A by 2. So 2 cut. Now see, I want answer sin B minus C by 2. It means somewhere they both have to be cancelled. So let us see how it can be cancelled. We know A plus B plus C is 180. I want B plus C by 2. So what will I get? B plus C by 2 will be pi by 2 minus A by 2. Taking cos on both sides. What will I get? Cos B plus C by 2. Cos B plus C by 2 is equal to cos pi by 2 minus A by 2. Correct? Or cos पाई बाई टू माइनस ए बाई टू क्या हो जाएगा, साइन ए बाई टू. सो कॉस इज इक्वल टू साइन. सो दे बोथ कैंसल. Therefore I get my LHS. Understood? This is the way you solve. So you get the answer very easily. Okay? Since I want to go from sides to angles, I'll think of sine rule. If I want to go from angle to sine, angle to sides, I'll think of cosine rule. Now first I'll multiply 2 over here. क्या हो जाएगा 2 a बाहर निकालेंगे sin square c by 2 c 2 sin square a by 2. ठीक है. Now I convert half angle into full angles. तो sin square 2 sin square theta क्या होता है 1 minus cos 2 theta. ये भी हो जाएगा 1 minus cos 2 theta. So a minus a cos c plus c minus c cos a. तो a plus c मुझे मिल गया. माइनस कॉमन निकालेंगे दोनों में से. That is a cos c plus c cos a. तो a cos c plus c cos a क्या होता है b. प्रोजेक्शन रूल. So it becomes a plus c minus b. You write this one over here that you have used projection rule. That is equal to your RHS. Very easy sum for 2 marks. Yes, correct. Now a very good question. If a cos a is equal to b cos b, show triangle is right angle or isosceles. I have sides. I want to reach to angles. So I convert cos a. What is cos a? b square plus c square minus a square upon 2bc. Same cos b क्या आएगा? c square plus a square minus b square upon 2ac. बराबर. तो c2 कट. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. a square b square plus c square minus a square. ये b आ जाएगा तो b square c square plus a square minus b square. फिर मल्टीप्लाई क्या होगा a square b square c square a to the power 4 b square c square b square a square b to the power 4. ये like terms कट हो जाएंगे. I shuffle the terms here and there. That is a square c square minus b square c square and a raised to 4 minus b raised to 4. क्या कॉमन आएगा c square. So a square minus b square. ये क्या हो जाएगा a square minus b square a square plus b square. क्या कॉमन निकलेगा a square minus b square will be common, correct? So what is left? C square minus a square plus b square equal to 0. That is either a square minus b square 0 आएगा या c square equal to a square plus b square. ये बोलता है ट्रायंगल राइट एंगल है ना? And this will say triangle is isosceles. समझ में आया? I have proved both the conditions. ठीक है? And please write necessary formulas wherever required. Clear? Don't make a mistake of cutting a square minus b square. ये कट करोगे तो आपको सिर्फ राइट एंगल मिलेगा, आइसोसेलेस नहीं मिलेगा. Okay? Now I am taking mixed problems, some solved examples and some from exercise. Okay. If cot A, cot B, cot C are in AP, show that a square, b square, c square are in AP. It can be asked in two ways. Either this way, that this is in AP, show this. Next it can be, if this is in AP, show that cot A, cot B, C in AP. Let's solve the first one. Since cot A, cot B, cot C in AP, what I can say? I can say 2 cot B is nothing but cot A plus cot C. Let's convert everything into sin cos. This will become 2 cos B upon sin B, cos A upon sin A plus cos C upon sin C. Let's cross multiply. I'll get cos A sin C sin A cos C upon sin A sin C. Remember again I want to go to sides, correct? So I convert every angle. Let's simplify first. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. It will give me sin A plus C sin A sin C. This is 2 cos B अपॉन साइन बी। अब नाउ वी नो दैट a प्लस बी प्लस सी 180 है, तो ट्राइंगल दिया है। सो व्हाट कैन आई से अबाउट a प्लस सी? a प्लस सी हो जाएगा पाई माइनस बी। सो इफ आई अप्लाई साइन ऑन बोथ साइड्स, साइन a प्लस सी क्या हो जाएगा? साइन b। तो ये हो गया साइन b, दैट इज 2 cos b अपॉन साइन b। ये भी हो जाएगा साइन b, करेक्ट। और ये हो गया साइन a साइन c। लेट्स अप्लाई साइन रूल नाउ एंड हियर कोसाइन रूल। तो ये हो जाएगा a स्क्वायर प्लस c स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर अपॉन 2ac। साइन b क्या होता है? 2r, सॉरी क्या होता है? a अपॉन साइन a होता है 2r, बराबर। तो साइन a क्या हो जाएगा? a अपॉन 2r, करेक्ट। साइन a क्या हो जाएगा? a अपॉन 2r। तो साइन b हो जाएगा b अपॉन 2r। अगेन ये साइन b हो जाएगा b अपॉन 2r। ये हो जाएगा a अपॉन 2r, c अपॉन 2r। ये 2r कैंसल, ये 2r कैंसल, 2 कैंसल, ac कैंसल। सो व्हाट इज लेफ्ट? क्या बच गया? देखो इधर a स्क्वायर प्लस c स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर इक्वल्स b स्क्वायर। दैट इज a स्क्वायर प्लस c स्क्वायर इक्वल्स 2b स्क्वायर। दैट इज b स्क्वायर इक्वल टू a स्क्वायर प्लस c स्क्वायर अपॉन 2। Therefore I can say a square b square c square in AP. A question for 4 marks. If you don't understand this, I'll just explain you further. This would have become this would have become a square plus c square minus b square upon ac into 2r upon b। तो ये हो जाएगा b अपॉन 2r इंटू 2r का स्क्वायर अपॉन ac। तो ये ac कट, ये 2r कट, ये 2r कट, then you get the required steps. Okay, let's move on to next example now. A very important example. It is called as Napier's analogy. What we call it as? Napier's analogy. So what is that? You have to show that tan of b minus c by 2 is b minus c upon b plus c cot a by 2. Okay, I want to show that. So I'll start again with RHS because it is easy to simplify RHS. तो RHS क्या हो जाएगा? b minus c upon b plus c cot a by 2. I'll convert angles, sides to angles. b क्या हो जाएगा? 2r sin b. c क्या हो जाएगा? 2r sin c. 2r sin b, 2r sin c. Like the first sum which we started today of proof type. 2r कट हो जाएगा, तो क्या बचेगा? sin b माइनस sin c, sin b प्लस sin c cot a by 2. Apply the formula of factorization. So 2 cos b plus c by 2 sin b minus c by 2. नीचे क्या हो जाएगा? 2 sin b plus c by 2 cos b minus c by 2. ये रहेगा cot a by 2 ही। तो ये 2 कैंसिल हो गया, ये cos अपॉन sin becomes cot, है ना? cot b plus c by 2। ये हो जाएगा tan b minus c by 2, ये है cot a by 2। अगेन a hint, I want tan b minus c by 2 जो है मेरे पास, means they both should multiplication should be 1. Again a plus b plus c कितना होता है? 180। सबका हाफ एंगल चाहिए, so I'll get a by 2 is equal to pi by 2 minus b plus c by 2. तो अब I apply cot on both sides, तो cot a by 2, तो cot a by 2 क्या हो जाएगा? cot 90 minus theta, that is ये हो जाएगा cot pi by 2 minus b plus c by 2, करेक्ट? यस। तो क्या मिलेगा? cot pi by 2 minus theta is tan theta. So cot A by 2 is equal to tan B plus C by 2. तो tan आ जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा cot, that is cot A by 2 into cot B plus C by 2 कितना आएगा 1. So ये और ये 1. So what is left? Tan B minus C by 2. That is your LHS. Understood? Let's move on to some more sums of miscellaneous now. I want to prove LHS equal to RHS. It's up to you whether to move from LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS. I will prefer LHS. So sin A minus B क्या होता है? Sin A cos B, cos A sin B. Sin A plus B क्या होगा? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Now from angles I want sides. I'll apply the sine rule and cosine rule. Sin A क्या हो जाएगा? A by 2r. Cos B क्या हो जाएगा? A square plus C square minus B square upon 2AC बराबर माइनस cos A क्या हो जाएगा? B square plus C square minus A square upon 2BC. Sin B B upon 2r. सेम पार्ट डिनोमिनेटर में आएगा, खाली बीच में क्या आएगा? प्लस साइन. दैट इज A upon 2r. ये भी सेम आएगा b अपॉन 2r. तो देखो b कट a कट सेम ऊपर 2r सॉरी 4rc 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 भी कट. सो व्हाट इज लेफ्ट? a स्क्वायर प्लस c स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर माइनस c स्क्वायर प्लस a स्क्वायर. नीचे करेक्ट. तो c स्क्वायर कट, इधर b स्क्वायर कट, देन a स्क्वायर कट. व्हाट इज लेफ्ट इन न्यूमरेटर? 2a स्क्वायर माइनस 2b स्क्वायर, डिनोमिनेटर में 2c स्क्वायर. दैट इज माय RHS. a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर अपॉन c स्क्वायर. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वन, लेट्स ओपन दिस. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? a स्क्वायर cos square c by 2 plus b square cos square c by 2 minus 2ab cos square c by 2. पर्पस राइटेशन नीचे ये हो जाएगा a स्क्वायर sin square c by 2 b स्क्वायर sin square c by 2 plus 2ab sin square c by 2. इनको ऐड करेंगे, a स्क्वायर कॉमन निकलेगा, cos स्क्वायर प्लस साइन स्क्वायर कितना हो गया 1. b स्क्वायर कॉमन निकलेगा, cos स्क्वायर प्लस साइन स्क्वायर कितना हो गया 1. यहां से आई टेक 2ab कॉमन, तो क्या रहेगा? cos स्क्वायर c by 2 माइनस sin स्क्वायर c by 2. व्हाट इज दैट? a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab. cos स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस sin स्क्वायर थीटा इज cos 2 थीटा. सो 2 थीटा कितना है? c by 2. तो cos c आएगा, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab cos c. देखो cos and c का एंगल है, यहाँ a square plus b square है, यहाँ 2ab है. इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ c square. ठीक है. अंडरस्टूड? क्योंकि cos c क्या होता है? a square plus b square minus c square upon 2ab. तो 2ab cos c, a square plus b square माइनस किया तो क्या आंसर आएगा? c square. ठीक है. वेरी गुड सम. इफ cos A is equal to sin B minus cos C, show that triangle is right angle. तो लाइक टर्म्स को एक साथ लेंगे. cos A plus cos C क्या हो जाएगा? sin B. फैक्टराइजेशन फॉर्मूला है 2 cos A plus C by 2 cos A minus C by 2. ये हाफ एंगल है तो इसको भी हाफ बनाएंगे. 2 sin B by 2 cos b by 2. 2 और 2 कट, करेक्ट. अब cos a plus c by 2 और sin b by 2 सेम रिलेशन. a plus b plus c कितना होता है? पाई. मुझे क्या चाहिए? a plus c by 2. क्या हो जाएगा? इसको cos लगाया तो क्या हो जाएगा? sin. मतलब cos a plus c sin b by 2 कट हो गया. तो क्या बचा, cos a minus c by 2 is cos b by 2, that is a minus c by 2 is b by 2. कट तो ये कितना आ रहा है, b plus c, but we know that a plus b plus c pi होता है, so a plus b plus c is pi given to us, but b plus c कितना है, a, so 2a is equal to 180 degree, therefore angle is 90, therefore triangle क्या हुआ, right angled. ठीक है, okay. The next class will be talking about inverse trigonometric functions. In solutions of triangle we have only this much part. Okay, thank you.